Hey guys, this Adrian. Once again, I ain't made one of these videos for a while. So I said, let me go ahead and make one of these videos. This video is based on what make you successful, guys. What make you successful? I'm gonna repeat that one more time. What make you successful? Because I had a younger cat come to me and said that if I made a lot of money, I'd be successful. But I told him, if you make a lot of money and don't learn the value of life on the mistakes that you're going to make with a lot of money, then you'll be very unhappy, especially if you lose all that money that you made. I'm a prime example. I was in my 20s. I made a lot of money, but I was a fool with that money, right? But I learned a valuable lesson also when I was making all that type of money in my 20s because I was a hungry dude like that. You know what I mean? Um, that's all I seen. I seen money, 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 money. This is a true video. I like keeping my YouTube channel. That me also. But what I learned through that from that experience, guys, is that the money was good, but the experience of what I had to learn was even better. I had to go through some things, and I always tell people it's not what you go through, it's what you learn from what you went through. Because everybody got to experience life, and I experienced life, and what I learned from that experience is not to do that again. And that's the beautiful part my of my journey, of course, because if I never went through that life course of whatever situation I was going through, with the money and all that stuff, I would never learn. I'll never know what I know today. So the journey was more experience, and I won't take that back. If a lot of people say that if I can repeat time, I won't do this, I won't do that. Not me. I love my journey. Um, I fell off a lot, but without me falling, all the way low like that, I wouldn't know what I know today. So my journey and your journey is always a good thing, guys. So remember that. A journey is a good thing. Yeah, a journey is a good thing. So you want to go through your journey. If you're young like that, if you my age, a little older like that, um, just remember your journey and don't repeat, you know, the unnecessary things because when you get older, you get wise. And when you get wise, you don't make the mistakes no more. But the more to this story, guy, is um, you got a soul, right? You got a soul, right? Uh, but you had a spirit before you had a soul. But once you connect your soul and your spirit and they align together, guys, when they align together, you be very powerful. Yeah. Because now your best friend is your soul. Your best friend is your spirit. So once you align them together and you start reading more powerful books, I always tell people read powerful books. Um, watch channels that empower you rather than channels that take your power away from you guys. So I've been doing network marketing for a long time, for about 3 or 4 years now. It's fun to me because I know I can help a whole lot of people. So if you want to take me on this, my offer, guys, I'm starting a rotator link, and I want to help a lot of people. You know, a new journey, a new course to help a lot of people. I'll leave it below this video, guys, and just take that journey and reach out to me. Email me. I'll leave my email address too down. Well, I don't know. I'll leave email. You know, YouTube. All these people out here just got that narcissist. They got that type of problem. So I ain't gonna leave my email address. But if you wanna get with me, when you join one of my teams, I will give you a call, guys. So uh, pretty much just stay strong for this Monday, guys. I know this is one of the days that the most heart attacks occur on a Monday because people hate going to work. And I'm always trying to find a solution to help you with that. And that's why I started this rotator link. So if you want to join my team, just click on the link and it'll show you a presentation. And then I definitely will reach out to you. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. Peace.